Hi, this is Kate Kay, Managing Editor at ClickZ. I'm here at Advertising Week in New York, and we're here with Tim Suther. He's the CMO of Acxiom, and I've been talking to him all about how various marketers, no matter what sorts of media they're working with, can employ data. And Tim has some really interesting things to say about how marketers need to connect the dots a little bit. And so tell me what you think our digital marketing readers at ClickZ could learn from your experiences.
That's a great question, Kate, and I've enjoyed our conversation. I think it's really, the fascinating question for digital marketers is what's next. Every digital marketer is capitalizing on the insights that they see in the digital community. So if you've seen a particular trend in your social listening, of course you're going to respond to that. I think the interesting question is that all that there is? So if I've detected a particular trend in my social listening platform, why wouldn't I use it to inform the traditional parts of my business? Or if in my monitoring of intent and interest on my website, and I've detected that there's a particular trend, why wouldn't I also not only respond on my website, but why wouldn't I feed that into the traditional parts of the business? And I think the really fascinating thing that's going on is your brethren in the traditional world are thinking about how they leverage what they see into the digital world. And I think the successful marketers are, I like your term, we're going to connect the dots. How do I connect the digital sets with the offline sets? How do I connect CRM with my website? How do I use all of that to do, what is really the mission of creating compelling experiences for customers that drive more value for your organization?
Could you briefly maybe let's say somebody is a digital marketing person at a brand and they're dealing with a siloed operation. What are some of the first steps they might take if they wanted to actually enable this kind of integration?
Well, I think for me it always starts with strategy, and I know that sounds a little circuitous, but for me it's all about aligning with the way that the company makes money. So if your company is all about having the best possible products or the lowest possible prices, I think it might be a little tough sledding. But if your organization is really truly committed to delivering the maximum value to customers and judging your success by how well you do that, then I think that's really your guiding light. So when I think about the opportunities to connect digital to the traditional world, I think there's like three things. I think about many times you can identify the location of where interest or intent is coming from. Well, go connect that to how you might change your circular, your local television and radio. I think about detecting memes, so the social listening example I gave earlier, that's great input for your branded advertising. And then I think about connecting the personas that every good digital marketer has online and look for opportunities to connect that into your CRM program. I think those three things are really big payoffs for digital marketers.
Great, thanks so much for your time, Tim.
You bet.